Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan. On today's video we're looking at an Ariston unvented hot water cylinder. So what's been happening, we've arrived to this job and the customer told us something quite alarming when you open the door. So we're just going to call the customer in and hear from his words what he's seen when he got here. Okay, Mr. Customer, just tell me what you've seen when you open the door.
The utility room is very hot, and the utility room upstairs, or the steam upstairs.
So the steam going up through there,
Yeah.
up to the apartment upstairs. Is that right?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So all in there was dead hot, all steam and everything. Okay, so the reason the reason behind that is that the thermostats inside here have gone on immersion heaters. So we've since replaced them. There's the old ones down there. So that's all done now. Now, if you look here, Mr. Customer, I'll just show you here.
Okay.
So you got them switches there. So there's no timer. So what's basically been happening, these are on permanently, on all the time, sending power to these both immersion heaters and thermostats. So that means if something fails, like the thermostat fails, there's no, well, here's a safeguard, it should shut off, but in this case it didn't shut off. These on all the time, so what you should have is really a 7 timer.
Okay, I understand.
Fitted there, and then you time them. So it's only on for a certain amount of time.
Okay.
So, and also you're using a lot more electricity. So it's advisable that you have a new 7 timer fitted, which we can do. Fit that there, it'll be only on for a minimum or maximum for 7 hours a day.
Okay.
During the off-peak times, and then you're going to save power, electricity.
All right.
So if you've got a system like this, no timer, just switches like that, you need a economy 7 timer, which we can fit for you. Just click on the link below and you can get through to our office. So that's going to be on this video. Thank you for watching.